How to download and install Synaptics Touchpad driver on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search your laptop's name and then drivers and software. After you've searched that, you'll find official website of your laptop. In here, simply download the driver. After you've downloaded the driver by adding your model number, simply close the tab and open Device Manager. Here, search for Touchpad driver. Right click on it, then click on Update Driver. After you've pressed on Update Driver, click on Search automatically for drivers, and as you can see, the best drivers for your device are already installed. And if there was any installation process, it would be installed. And this is how to download and install Synaptics Touchpad driver on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.